everyone, and welcome back to The Best Way to Hire, where we teach you how to find talent or job hunt like a professional recruiter. If you're new here, my name is Nelleke with Neil Jim Search Group. Are you tired of applying to jobs that just disappear into a black hole? Or are you wasting your time day in, day out sorting through resume after resume? You know there's a better way? There's a way to get noticed by recruiters and land you your dream job, and a way to find that top talent. It's all about smart networking, real networking. Forget about the fancy suits and the expensive conferences. Ditch the pressure and focus on building real connections, real relationships. Have you ever noticed how kids make friends easily and how excited they are about these new friends? They plop into the sandbox and within minutes they're talking about dinosaurs. It's almost like they've known each other for their entire life. We were once like that, so what happened? What happened to this excitement about the possibility of a new friend? What happened to that freedom of expression? I mean, don't you love it when someone is excited to meet you and then you find out that you have so much in common, and then when you see them again they are excited to see you and they actually remember you? So why don't we do this ourselves? Everyone loves being recognized and having people be excited about seeing them. Next time you're out, find your inner child and just go for it. You may be surprised how genuinely excited you will get about meeting new people, and with it you'll expand your network. Speaking of kids, instead of just sitting next to parents at your next school play, recital, or sporting events when you're waiting for everything to start late, why don't you get to know some other parents? Talk to them. I mean, you have an easy in, your kids. If you see my LinkedIn profile, you may notice that I'm very passionate about BSA scouting. About 15 years ago, my son Zachary came home with a sheet, all excited about this cool thing called scouting. Little did I know that 15 years later, I'd be extremely involved, but I've also made so many new friends and connections. It's amazing when you are participating in activities with others, how fast you get to know the people and how fast you create a bond. Don't have kids? No problem. Get out there in the real world and volunteer. Volunteering is a fantastic way to connect with people in your community. One of our associates, Katie, she donates her time to an animal shelter and she has made so many friends. It's an easy way to network without even trying. By donating your time and talents to a local cause that you care about, you'll have the opportunity to meet like-minded people. We all have unique skills and experiences, so why not target people who get that? Find recruiters who specialize in your fields, the ones who geek out over your industry jargon. Yeah, they actually exist. LinkedIn is great, but it's not everything. You still want to hit up those industry meetups and attend conferences, free ones if you can, or you even want to join a local club related to your field. But it's not just networking events. They're chances to meet cool people, to share your knowledge, and to leave a lasting impression that just goes beyond a boring resume or a business card. Remember, you must provide value first, and it must be sincere. Nobody likes it when somebody wants to meet them just to get something out of them. Don't just wait for someone to offer you a job or post a job and hope for the best. Become a mini expert in your field. Share your insights on social media, write a blog, post videos, comment on other people's stuff. Most people forget that part. Anything that shows you're an industry expert. Recruiters love that kind of shit, and potential employees want to work for people who are leaders in their fields. Landing a job or gaining great talent isn't the finish line. When you stay connected with your recruiter and you recommend awesome people and potential new clients, offer industry insights, you basically become a valuable resource to that recruiter. And this will build trust and keeps you top of mind for the best opportunities and for the best talent they come across in the future. Reviews are another amazing way to get attention and get connection, especially if you mention the person you want to connect with more. Be honest, how awesome would it feel to see your name in a Google review for your company? Your boss will love you too, by the way. Pretty awesome, right? So these are just a few tips to help you network like a real person. Remember, if it isn't genuine, it will show. You have to genuinely be excited. Show your passion and always provide value first. It's much easier to ask for a favor when you've done somebody a favor. Let me know in the comments below, what are your best networking tips? And don't forget to like or subscribe for more tips and tricks.